Go to your printer settings and select mirror image. Set the print quality to best for sharp and vivid designs. Print on the coated side of the white tattoo paper. Load the white tattoo paper into your inkjet printer and print your desired artwork. Remove the backing of the transparent film. Carefully paste the transparent film over the printed side of the tattoo paper. Use a ruler to slide across the paper, pushing out any air bubbles. Trim your tattoo to your desired shape. Peel off the transparent film from the tattoo paper. Place the tattoo paper on your skin, design side down. Press a wet cloth onto the paper, ensuring every area is thoroughly wet. Carefully peel the paper off your skin. The artwork will transfer, leaving a vibrant temporary tattoo.